The Wet Sounds WS-MC-1 Media Center kit delivers a robust marine-ready control hub with a separate black box and helm display, which keeps the brains of the system protected while leaving a clean, modern interface at the dash. Its multi-zone design lets you independently manage up to 4 audio zones with separate volume levels and custom labels, so everyone on board can enjoy the right mix, whether you are at the dock or out cruising. Built-in amplification rated at 25 watts by 4 channels, along with high-voltage preamp outputs, gives you strong, clean signal for both direct speaker runs and more advanced amplifier-based systems. The unit supports a broad mix of sources including radio, Bluetooth streaming, USB with device charging, auxiliary input, and popular app-based music services, making it easy to bring all of your music on the water without fuss. A bright, daylight-friendly screen that can dim with vessel lighting, combined with large, clearly laid-out controls, makes the system straightforward to use even in rough water or low-light conditions. Marine-specific touches like a water-resistant design, support for RGB lighting control across multiple zones, and a layout built for simple installation make this kit especially appealing for serious boat audio upgrades.